Hello, I'm Daniel from Carbonwurks. We have something very special in today. So this is a McLaren 600 LT. Very rare, very exotic. As you can tell, it's got a lot of carbon fibre on it. So this is in for a repair. You can't see a great deal right now, apart from on the front corner there, but underneath there's a lot of damage. And we're effectively going to have to disassemble the front end, repair all the parts painstakingly, and obviously reassemble it. So when we're in the process, we'll take a few more videos and photos and show you guys what it's all about. Right, car's now in the workshop and disassembly time is what it's all about really. So we've got the wheels off, arch liners, we've also had to remove the floor. There's a tub actually inside here where an engine normally would be on most cars. So we've had to remove that as well as the headlights, and obviously the splitter's been disassembled. So a couple more hours we should have this apart and we can start getting cracking onto the carbon. Right, so all the pieces are now disassembled off the car and actually in the workshop. So as part of this process, we'll sand down each individual carbon piece, make sure it's okay to repair, and then there's various stages which we go through. So resin is one of them, which is what Alex is actually doing right now next to me. We've also got to reinforce the inside, obviously if there's a crack, and then further refine it with more sanding before it then goes to lacquer. Each part is thoroughly inspected. Not everything can be repaired unfortunately, but for the most part we can get things back from the dead. So Alex is cracking with some resin here. We'll show you a few clips later on when it's back from lacquer.
So we're now finished up, everything's back together and the car's pretty much ready to go apart from the customer collecting it. So as part of this process we have to disassemble the car, obviously strip all the parts off, refurbish, repair, reinforce, and then obviously refinish the parts at the end with a nice high gloss lacquer that you can see on here. So this has been quite a process. There's been many components to it. The customer actually got quoted just shy of £16,000 to replace all these bits. We've come in substantially cheaper, and as the results show, there was no real reason to replace all the parts. You just needed a little bit of love and care. So it's all back together now. The customer's going to be really happy with this end result, and it can show that rather than just replacing bits, you can actually repair it, and the results speak for itself. So on to the next car, and see you next time.